it's Jennifer. I am back with another fun activity. Today we are going to be playing balloon volleyball. I have a towel down as our net, and we are using fly swatters, but you can use whatever you have available. You can use your hands, you could use a paper towel roller, you could use a spatula, it doesn't matter. We're working on visual tracking, we're working on eye-hand coordination, we're working on boundaries that she is trying to stay on her side and I am staying on mine. Following rules, following directions. The other thing that we're working on is that vestibular. So every time she turns her head upside down, backwards, or forward, she's activating those centers of her brain, which also helps us focus. So this might be a good activity to do while in between homework. If they've been sitting for a while or just haven't gone outside enough, you can quickly play this game and then go do a couple of math problems. I hope you have fun with this game. Stay safe and wash your hands.